Namaste. I'm with you today for some more sitting postures, mainly to improve leg strength and joint elasticity. We will start with butterfly exercise. Sit on the floor, back straight. Keep your feet together and try to keep close. Shake your knees. Try to touch your knees on the floor. Shake for at least 1 minute. Stop shaking, hold your feet and bend down. Try to touch your forehead on the ground. Stay for a few seconds. By doing this exercise, you will feel good stretching in your thighs. Janu Shirasana. Keep the legs straight, right leg stretched and fold the left leg and touch your left foot with thigh. Knee should touch on the floor. Hold the right foot with both hands. Exhale. Lower the head slowly. Try to place the forehead on the knee. Remain in this position for 5 to 10 seconds. Increase the time gradually. Do same with other side. Practice of this asana helps joints to regain elasticity. It strengthens the pelvic muscle. Inhale and sit with the back straight. Paschimottanasana Asana. Sit on the floor with the legs stretched straight in front. Grip your heels. Exhale and bend the trunk lower so that your head rests on the knees. Try to touch your elbow on the ground, side to your legs. Continue normal breathing. Try to keep your back straight. Remain in this asana for 10 to 20 seconds in starting. Gradually increase the holding time. It strengthens up the kidneys, the stomach, the liver and the other abdominal organs. Inhale while coming back. Relax your legs by doing butterfly asana. Vibhakta Paschimottanasana. Legs apart as much as you can. Keep your legs straight. Hold the right foot with right hand. Try to touch your elbow on the floor inner side. Take your left hand over your head and hold your right foot. And look up. Hold this asana for 15 to 30 seconds and do same with other side. Breathe normally while holding. This asana burns side fat, stretches abdominal and thighs muscles, has toning effect on your body. Inhale and come back slowly. Bhunamanasana. Distance between your legs should be maximum. Keep your legs straight. In starting, try to touch your elbows on the ground between your legs. Keep the face on the hands. If you can sit easily in this position, then hold the feet with both hands and bend down. Try to touch your stomach, chest and chin on the ground. Hold in this asana for few seconds. Come back slowly and relax by butterfly exercise. Every muscle, vein and bone has its own importance in our body. Different exercises have different benefits. So there must be variation in exercises and asanas time to time. Take care. Namaste.